Catalyst2 are a hosting company and we're focused at small and medium-sized businesses. We started around 10 years ago and from very humble beginnings we've grown to host sites from companies as diverse as very small businesses up to multinational corporations.
Ultimately, our customers are looking for a helpful service, they're looking for a reliable service, and they're looking for a service that's hassle-free.
Essentially, we've been looking at ways to make our infrastructure easier to manage. As an infrastructure grows, especially as a small hosting company, it can become more and more time consuming and difficult to manage. With that in mind, we'd started looking at virtualization as a way to consolidate our servers and also to make them a lot easier to manage, as obviously we have one central point to manage everything from. We went to Dell, they assigned us a server expert who then helped us design a solution based around our concerns and our needs. We wanted something that was very reliable and that was above all within our budget as well. We started off small with 2 VMware ESX nodes and 2 Echologic SAN units that could replicate between each other. Our plan initially was to start migrating our shared hosting servers over the first 6 months, but after we had moved around 3 or 4 servers, we saw massive benefit with great feedback from customers. So we decided to actually speed up the implementation process, and in the end, after 3 months, we had migrated all of our shared hosting servers and also one of our biggest clients over to the new VMware cluster. Our customers have seen dramatic benefits and we've been able to offer services much more quickly to them. Given the new virtualization platform, it's certainly helped us win projects that we couldn't have done with physical dedicated servers due to lead times and the configuring and installing them, whereas with our new virtualization setup, we can have a new server up and running within the hour in 90% of cases, which is a fantastic selling point to any customer. Every minute of the day really counts for us as a small team. Every hour that we spend fixing a problem that could have been avoided or could have been detected is an hour we could have spent on new product. With our virtualization setup, we have one single login where they can view all the virtual machines, set up new virtual machines, upgrade them, reboot them. They can basically manage every aspect of it from one single login. For us, that means we can deploy new servers faster, we can troubleshoot issues quicker, and we can manage customer servers much more efficiently.
Well, the IT team at Catalyst2 have seen a reduction of 35% in routine management since the implementation of virtualization. We've managed to reduce our server count by 40% thanks to virtualization. One of the challenges we faced was around energy costs. Energy prices are consistently rising. By virtualizing our infrastructure, we've actually seen our energy costs be reduced by 50%.
We've used Dell OpenManage on physical servers for a number of years now to help us see the health and the real-time status of each server. It's no different with our virtualization nodes. The Dell Lifecycle Controller is a new addition to the PowerEdge server range and essentially lets us completely manage a server from when it is installed in a rack, and we can do everything remotely to it. With virtualization, it's key to make sure that the underlying server hardware is up to date. With the Lifecycle Controller, we can easily upgrade the firmware on all our virtualization nodes through one simple interface. We estimate it's probably saved us around 80% of the time. From the beginning, we've always placed great emphasis on our backup and recovery strategy. We've made sure that we've always kept very good off-site backups, but with our virtualization setup and the Dell Echologic SANs, we've been able to take that to a whole new level. For us, being able to scale the storage system quickly was very important. So being able to add in new space into our infrastructure without causing any downtime to our customers was very, very important. Luckily, the Echologics, again, fitted that requirement. We can add a new SAN into our existing infrastructure with around 15 to 20 minutes of unboxing the unit. It really is very, very simple.
We're on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and therefore it's very important for us that our suppliers offer us the same level of support that we offer our customers. Our virtualization platform is critical to Catalyst2, and therefore we decided to go with the 4-hour response option from Dell. This means that any part can be on site within 4 hours, offering us great peace of mind.